Guess what? I got my YouTube channel monetized. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Saychels. So for today's vlog, this is going to be interesting because I just want to share something. Already got monetized. I got my YouTube channel monetized just a few days ago. So happy about it. Aww. Yeah, until now I can't believe. I want to share to you how I was able to monetize my YouTube channel. So just keep on watching. YouTube has a lot of rules, and the two important things that you need to remember, and you need to reach these two requirements within 12 months. So first, you need to have 4,000 watch hours. Second, you need to have at least 1,000 subscriber count. It's actually just this week I received an email from YouTube saying that you have reached a 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscriber count requirement. And I was so happy about it because I was not really expecting that. And I was so overwhelmed and I don't know what to do. So I talked to some of my friends, YouTuber friends, and yeah, they actually gave me some advice, and that's what I also followed. So during that day, I received an email and I was like, oh, I can't believe that I reached, the 4,000 watch hours. And I was actually a little bit like nervous, or maybe I can say, I don't know, but I was really excited, and I was thinking that, oh my gosh, you might think about like maybe your channel will not be approved or something, but as long as you did not break any rules of YouTube, I bet and I assure you that you will really get your channels approved. Yes, and that's really true. As long as you do the right thing, you don't have any copyright, or you don't grab or steal other people's videos, so everything is just okay. So luckily I was able to reach the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber count less than a year, so that's a good thing. Those are the two important things that you need to remember when you set up a YouTube channel. The AdSense and other stuff will just follow. But yeah, uploading more videos on YouTube, it can really help increase your watch hours. Doing live stream can also help increase your watch hours. And yeah, what else? While I was browsing my YouTube Studio page, and I actually saw a message that popped up on my screen that says, due to this pandemic, there will be delays in approving your YouTube channel and blah 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 and stuff like that. So I was thinking, oh my gosh, maybe, like sometimes you will think about things, negative things, but so what I did was I actually accessed the monetization tab, and then downwards there's actually like a send feedback button or option there on the lower left of the screen. What you'll do is just click on it. After you click on it, there will be a pop-up screen that says write your feedback or your concerns about YouTube. So actually, the best thing you can do to get your channel monetized is to type or state your concern about your channel. So what I did was I typed in like, hi YouTube, this is Saychels, blah blah blah, good day to you. Yeah, and I was like, I already received an email from YouTube team, and it states there that I already reached the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscriber count. So what's the best thing to do about it? I hope that you can assist me with my concern, and you can actually state when you received the email and when was the time that you reached the 4,000. State the date. That's important. And you know what? After 24 to 48 business hours, I actually received an email from YouTube that says, congratulations! Yeah, actually, I received an email that says your YouTube channel was approved and ready to monetize. Yeah, that's for real, guys. And I was so happy and I was so overwhelmed. Log in with your YouTube email address. Click YouTube Studio. Click the menu or the 3 horizontal lines on the upper left. Click the $sign or the monetization tab. So you can see monetization is red, which means not enabled. This was the email sent by YouTube that I have reached the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Next is click the menu button on the upper left part, and then you will see on the lower left there's the send feedback. Click on it, and then you will see a page that says send feedback. So this is the format of the email that I sent to YouTube. You can also follow this, or you can create your own format. And then after 24 to 48 business hours, you will receive an email from YouTube that says, congratulations, you've been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. So now that my channel has already been monetized and I am really very happy until now. Of course, I can't believe, I keep saying this over and over again because I can't believe. It's like an accomplishment, right? That you've been working so hard for the past few months and now you got monetized. As long as you're doing the right thing, the right stuff, as long as you follow YouTube's rules and policies and whatever, everything will be okay in your channel. You will go a long way. And this is just the beginning of my YouTube journey, and I hope you continue supporting me. And thank you so much to all my subscribers, my 2,120 subscribers as of today. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. Much love to you all. Go to your channel videos, then click the $sign. Make sure the monetization is on and click Plays Manually. This is the best part. And now you're ready to put some ads to all your videos. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it helped you. Please hit the like button, comment down below, share, subscribe, and please don't dislike. This is Saychels. Have a nice day. Bye.